welcome your host.
Alright, so isang magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Good afternoon, everyone! Hello naman po. Okay naman po ating mga bisita. Kindly wave your hands over there. Hi! And of course, syempre naman po, enjoy lang po tayo. And bago po tayo tuluyang mag-umpisa po ng ating programa po sa hapong ito, syempre naman po, nais ko lang sana nga i-clarify sa inyo lahat that of course, as I always say, rain or shine, the show and also the program must definitely go on at walang anumang bagyo no, sa makapipigil sa napaka-special na okasyon ito. So before anything else, nais ko lang sana kamustahan ang lagay ng ating mga bisita by checking your vibe and your energy. Alright? So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba ako makarinig po muna mula sa inyong lahat ng isang malakas bella palakpak para may kasamang si Gaman Jan! There you go! Ganyan dapat ang vibe natin ngayong gabi. And at the same time, ganyan dapat tayo kasaya dahil of course, we are all here united together as one to celebrate one very special occasion po for our birthday ceremony po sa gabing ito. And by the way, muli po, isang mapagpalang araw po sa lahat and welcome aboard here at the Cafe Andrea Restaurant or Resto Bar dito po sa May Kawayan, Bulacan. And tulad nga ng sabi ko kanina lang, we are all gathered here to witness and to also celebrate. Yes, to celebrate the 60th birthday of our good-looking ang ating may kaarawan po sa hapong ito na si Sir Ted. Alright? Handa na po ba tayo sa pagsalubong sa kanila? Pero naman po bago natin bago nga tayo tumungo nga sa exciting part ngayong hapong ito, ay nais ko lang po sana bigyan lang ng mas appropriate na grand actions po ang immediate family ni Sir Ted. At syempre, hinihiling ko lang po ang presence ng lahat na kapag po tinawag ko po sila as they enter here our venue, ay salubungan lang po natin silang isang malakas ang masigabong palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan. Are you guys ready? Handa na po tayo lahat? Syempre naman, umpisa natin agad-agad with introducing and acknowledging the presence of the immediate family of Sir Ted, beginning with his daughters. Palakpakan naman natin ang papasok natin mga anak. We have your Ron Shine and Jess Garcia. Pasok! Yes, please proceed here. Palakpakan naman po natin ang kanyang napakagandang mga binibining anak over there. And syempre naman, wait, there's more. Dahil hindi lang po isa pang binibini, hindi lang po dalawa, pero tatlong binibini or isang ginang ating sulbungin po sa gabi ito. And of course, she is no other than the wife of Sir Ted. Palakpakan naman natin, Ma'am Dolor Garcia! Palakpakan naman natin ay Ma'am Dolor. Napakaganda naman. Of course, let's give it up once again around the applause to the Garcia family. Palakpakan naman natin. And of course, eto na nga. Ready na ba kayo? Handa na po ba ang lahat? Pero syempre naman bago natin salubungin ang pagpasok po ng pinaka-main event natin, ang pinaka-highlight po ng ating araw na ito. Maaari po bang ibitahan ang bawat isang bisita natin na magsipagtayo na po tayo lahat? May we all stand po because I believe that it is about time that we are now going to welcome on the grand entrance of our birthday celebrator for tonight. Pero bago yan, ladies and gentlemen, hinihiling ko lang po, no? Same as si pagsulubong natin sa kanilang pamilya, salubungan lang natin silang isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawat po sa kanyang pagpasag. Alright? Handa na po ba tayo lahat? Are you all guys right? Parang mahina. So ba? Are you all guys right? Yan ang sinasabi ko. Ganyan dapat. And of course, I think handa na ang lahat. We're all set. Brace yourselves and get ready because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only good-looking, handsome, and of course, ang ating napakapasyonisang birthday celebrator for tonight. Palakpakan natin the one and only Sir Ted! Palakpakan naman natin. Yeah! Yes! Alright, palakpakan naman natin once again, Sir Ted and our family here, Garcia family. Palakpakan naman po natin. Ayan, of course, everyone please remain standing as we are about to continue on with our program for this afternoon. Ayan, so of course, so beginning with our program for tonight, syempre po, we are going to proceed po right away with an opening prayer to be led by Grace Caribe. To lead the prayer.